Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox Premier all-wheel drive, stock number Z9449XX. 22,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Nightfall Gray Metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, leather interior. Outboard seats are also heated. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, forward collision warning, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of storage space in the rear, 60/40 split seats, folds flat easily with the pull of a handle, and very clean as you can see. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, adjustable power liftgate, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8-inch touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Rear as well as front cameras. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Heated seats as well as cooled seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Wireless cell phone charging. All-wheel drive. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box owner's materials. Overhead. Auto-dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.